Okay. All right. Today is August 22nd. This is the SED community meeting. So let's start with as usual from our SED meeting agenda. Let me share it. And sorry. Meeting agenda. Yes, let's do that. All right, the first item, well, we actually only have one item out there, looks like. Sam, do you want to start?
Sure. So I just wanted to kind of speak up from the Red Hat etcd team. We have been kind of absent from upstream, and we take that very seriously. The etcd team, as many of you may have known at Red Hat, was just me, and we have recently added 2 new members, and we have allocated resources to get more involved upstream and to be, better stewards of the community. And I just wanted to take a minute and kind of have these guys introduce themselves. So it's the new members are Suresh and Alay. Suresh comes to us from Cisco, where he was working on distributed systems for a number of years, and Alay comes from an internal hire, where he was working on the operator SDK and etcd operator using Ansible. So I'll just have these guys kind of introduce themselves, and we'll go from there.
Yeah. Hi. Can everyone hear me?
Yes. Yeah, we can hear you.
Hi. My name is Suresh Kolichala. I have, as Sam said, worked in Cisco for a pretty long time. We worked on video applications, so it's we have gone from various generations, from the analog to digital to later into the cloud-based video applications, including video on demand, stitched digital video, and cloud DVR, digital video recording, those kind of things that I have worked on. So finally I made the transition to work on Red Hat with Sam's help. I'm getting onboarded, and I'm pretty excited to work on etcd, and the community seems pretty active and pretty glad to join, glad to be part of it.
Welcome.
Right, great. Yeah, thank you, Suresh. And Alay, would you like to go next?
Yep. Hey guys, I'm Alay. I've been working as an intern at Red Hat, and I joined in as a software engineer. I worked on operator SDK, touching etcd operator and trying to implement it with the same features in Ansible. I've been doing some development in Kubernetes, and now with Sam and Suresh, I'm part of the etcd team. So it's a great project, great community. Looking forward to working with the community.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you, guys.
We're not very prepared, but we do have a new member joining our team this week. Also, this is Yuchen, and she is a new grad, and she has interned in Google internally on Google Cloud Storage. Do you want to say something about yourself?
Yeah, I think Wenjia has already introduced me. Hi guys, my name is Yuchen, and it's my first week, and I think I'm gonna work on etcd in the future, and I'm still learning on that, and yeah, I'm so glad to meet you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome.
Great. Our community is getting bigger and bigger. I'm glad about it. Let me reply to. So Gyuho seems like is joining soon. I think the big thing of this week and this month is that we are releasing 3.4 very soon. I think Gilho will have more things to talk about, but before he joins, I can, this is a issue, the umbrella issue that states everything about releasing SCD 3.4, and we can see that most of the things have been checked. Yeah, Gyuho, Jingyi, and Joe, I know they've been working a lot on the releasing, and yeah, I know, here, Gyuho is here. Hi, Gyuho. Hi, Gyuho. I'm sorry I added to the calendar late. I'm glad you can join now. I just started to open this umbrella issue about release SCD 3.4. Do you want to talk about it?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, so I think we are in pretty good shape. Like, so me and like Jingyi was working on the blog post, like it should be ready. So we just need to create a PR on the upstream Kubernetes website repository. So like please like give us like another review and before we create a PR. So planning to create a PR maybe tomorrow. Like, what do you think, Jingyi? Oh, Jingyi.
Yeah, Jingyi just joined.
Sorry, I'm late.
It's okay. We just
What's
started
up?
to talk about release 3.4.
Okay.
And now it's your turn.
Oh, okay.
I think,
let me sit closer to the screen.
yeah, Gyuho was talking about you guys are creating a PR for the release. What was it? I didn't hear it
Blog
very
post?
clear.
Yeah.
Blog
So
post.
Yeah, right now we have it in the Google Docs, like shared with everybody. But we want to PR on the Kubernetes website so that it can be published next Friday.
Yeah, sounds good. I mean, the people from CNC have already reviewed it, and once we post, they can repost it, right? They can help us to do some marketing work. That sounds good.
Yeah. And then like I'm trying out the Kubemark right now, but like if I find anything like a meaningful, like maybe I add more like maybe graphs in the blog post, but I will let you guys know.
Okay.
All right.
Are you trying specific tests like GCE scalability test or just?
Oh no, I'm just like creating like a bunch of like a node, like a fake node.
Right.
Just like send some traffic to like a SCD with Kubernetes workload. Nothing more than that. Like I'm not even running the scalability testing.
Okay. Yeah. Let me know if you want to. I think we can reserve some big machines.
Yeah. Let us know if you need any help
Yeah,
there
I'm
for
using
scalability test.
Yeah, I don't think I need GC, but yeah, I will let you know because I think we already have data on the blog post. But
Yeah, we have data on some of the improvements on some of the major features. We have the data.
Okay.
We probably want some for this 3.4 release, because when I look at we do have a benchmark page, but the numbers are old. Probably want to update those numbers based on this 3.4 release. Do you remember where those benchmarks? Oh, those are just etcd. Those are not Kubemark though. So that's a separate thing. Okay.
That one, yeah, I think it's outdated. Like maybe somebody with have more bandwidth can keep it up to date.
We can take care of that page. Let me look at that page and see what was used, like what machine type was used, and try to maybe use similar machines and just update the numbers with this new release.
Yeah, right. Because we ran in 2 years ago. So
okay. Yeah, I'll take a look. If I have questions, I'll ask you.
Yeah. And then I think you just fixed one flaky test last time. Can we backport that to 3.4 branch?
Yeah, sure.
So we're gonna do scalability.
I don't think we're doing scalability for now. So I think the plan is we'll do some Kubemark test and
Yeah.
yeah, and I'll look at the etcd benchmark page and try to update that.
Okay. Is there anything that you guys need help with? Let us know. It looks like it's almost done. So we're still targeting Friday, August 30th.
Yeah, sounds good. So like I think all the like flaky tests we already fixed. Like how is the functional test like look like?
Yeah, the functional tests, as I said, all the tests with the sig term and sig quit failed on running with Docker because the file is on a different Docker container, and the agent was trying to get it locally. It's a test problem.
Okay.
But this is preventing. We verify that those tests passed for running on Docker. But other than those, everything else passed.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll try to fix that and verify. But running the functional tests locally, everything passed.
Okay. Sounds good.
Do we need to fix the running on Docker before the release?
What do you think?
Yeah, I don't think it's blocking because in the CI we just run it with like a binary, like without any container.
Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah. I'll keep working on it. If we get it before, it's great, and if not, I'll assign myself.
Cool.
Also, like Sam is here. Like is Sam here?
Yeah.
Like Sam, like do you think we can do the like a new like a signing process from random like next Friday?
I think so. I touched base with him briefly about it, and I'll follow up today. But yeah, I'll make sure that is, because that's really going to be important for the future, and I'll make sure that that's ready to go by next Friday. You're saying, or by tomorrow?
Also, I'm gonna do the release like next Friday morning.
Yeah.
So, like if we get the like release script like ready by Thursday.
I'd like to. Yeah. So midweek next week. I'll make sure to have that completed, and I'll touch base with you just to follow up. But yeah, we'll make sure that happens.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have any other agenda. Like I think we need, like for the next meeting we need to plan the like.
We need to plan for what?
3.5 next meeting.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Is there anything else, everybody? Otherwise, that's it for today. Thank you.
Everybody.
Right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Nice
Thank you.
day.
Bye.
Yes.
Stop it.